She's scavenging for food. You gotta rip open every suitcase you get? She's got a pocket knife. Tearing open the lines. Look at that, she's destroyed the whole inside. You gotta cover it up. You see what you're doing. Caught you on camera. There's a camera right above you. You just don't leave it there on the floor? Oh my god.
Get that one. Please.
Here we go. Get the pocket knife out. Cut the insides with this one up too.
Did you sew that bag? It looks like you did. What are you doing?
Don't fall inside. She falls in, you gotta zip her up. I'm pretty sure Khalid will fit in there.
She can't fit in that.
Ooh, we should do that when you get home. Put you in the suitcase.
And never
Zip her up. Put her in the body bag section. We'll put you in here.
Really for diamonds?
It just comes right down. It's this one.
Then get that one if it doesn't go straight down. Gosh. I'm being retarded.
Yeah, so why don't you just get that one then?
Get that one. It doesn't matter. Do you want your
How much
size
is
to be
that?
lessened?
She's 171.
How much is that?
This is... We'll only have the 130.
Get that
Alright.
one. That one's better. Don't think. Just get it.
Is that the 20? Isn't it the 29?
25.
What is that then? Oh no. Ugh. Ugh.
Please.
Having fun there? How adorable it is?
Get the suitcase.
Just take it.
Go out. Go. You're buying this one. No. Yes, you are. Yeah, I should have gone. Why didn't you do that one?
It's like you cared before, you just left it there. Did you put the other ones away in JCPenney?
No.
She just left them all. Just opened them all up and left them on the ground. Man, hop in the mirror. It's your lip. Your lip. Let's go. Gotta put her inside the case. I'll knock her out. You open the case.
What about rims on that? You're getting this one. You already have one. See, look. If you pull that out.
That's worse than the others.
I know. It's just better. Don't worry about the price.
It's all about looks, Khalid. If your suitcase looks good, they'll take care of it more.
They will actually. You're getting this suitcase. Are you hugging it?
I love you.
a hole in
I have a hole in the ground. What's somebody do? Did somebody shoot the floor?
the same brand.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Let's go. I'll run you over. On purpose. Here.
Why are you hugging the suitcases?
I don't like you.
Why don't you just pull them out and rip them open like that other one she did?
No. She's in this prank going on here. Yes, it is.
It's not on sale.
This one, it's made for you. It says your name on it too.
Is that with the clearance price? Well, that's just too bad. So if they cost that much, why are you still over here?
Oh, that, this all costs $1,000. Clean. This one.
All up in your mouth.
Alright, look. This one's 50, that one's 170. This one's decent. Move it back. Put it back.
Uh-oh.
Put it back.
But did you inspect it yet?
I'm going to, but I have a feeling that this is...
Hurry up. Just gonna go play with it real quick.
Shut up.
Just give her some time alone.
Hey, with the suitcase, can you?
Oh, she gotta take her stuff off. It's getting serious. Oh, she's getting a pocket knife. She's gonna cut this one open real nice. You makeup? You can make sure it looks good.
No one's gonna be looking up to you now. Hurry up, let's go. Let's take it this one.
Let's do it. Let's get it done.
Only 10.5 pounds. That's just too much. That was like a waste of fabric. That was just extra fabric they need to do. It's a little, you're seeing there.
Your what?
Name tag.
You just attach it to the handle like normal people.
There's little wheels that have rings on it.
Why don't you just lay on it? You know you want to.
It was going to take that long just to get a suitcase.
You want to put heavy stuff on top of it, not the side.
If it's all on the side, anything can happen. It's durable. They get this suitcase. It's not being leased.
It is durable. It's not going to rip.
I want it to...
What are you imagining happening?
Things that will probably never happen.
Yeah, like what do you think is going to happen?
He's going to
go in here with a hammer. Let's start smashing everybody's luggage. I need mine to be ready for the test.
Yeah, move. What?
Needs space. It's about to get serious. Look at that, he can't even unzip it. Did Mom cook dinner? Oh, I forgot. Those, no, I'm not gonna eat that. It's disgusting. They're burnt.
What I don't like is it's the thingy, the frame all around it, but in the back is nothing.
It's got the bars. So why? If something hits the back, it's just gonna stop on the bars.
What did you do? Oh gosh. I thought you were supposed to pick out a suitcase you like and leave, not. How about your ability?
After a long day's work,
I don't care what you say.
Cleve made her decision. She reluctantly grabs the suitcase and walks off into the sunset.
No.
What happened?
That's what you get.
You cut yourself? Aww.
They don't like you.
Group hug. Make her feel better. It's okay, Cleve. Everybody gets cut.
You already checked that one. Right now, this is more focused.
I want that brownish, brownie brown one. Is that brown enough for you? I can make it more brown if you want. Where'd Sierra go? You trying to squeeze through? Those chairs are not for sitting on.
Wouldn't say nothing.
It says black people cannot sit on the white furniture. Are you lost, Cleve? I can't find the exit. She's lost.
You can't look everything back. It's over there. We just left it.
She put it right next to you.
I got tired.
That thing's heavy.
Don't know.
No rest. Go look for more suitcases.
Get it, or you're not sitting. Never. You're gonna walk. Don't look at your watch.
She doesn't have a watch. She can't afford a watch. Watch is too much for her. She only brought enough money for a suitcase.
Don't stare.
What are you thinking about? The suitcase is waiting for you. You know you want it, Khalid. You know you want the suitcase. What are you doing?